Hi, this is Kendra with WTI. This is a personal locator beacon. Why do you need this? Well, we travel a lot in our family and we like to go to some pretty remote places sometimes. So anytime we're in a very remote place or we're traveling over water, we like to have this on our person. So a couple of cool features about this is you can have it on your wrist, you can attach it to like a belt or anything like that, just so you can have it directly on your person. It works with 406. Now, what is that? That means that it will be accurate up to 3 feet. That's pretty amazing when you're in the middle of nowhere. You can be found within 3 feet. So that's amazing as well. Also, I like that, sometimes you can wonder, is this thing still working? Like, I'm a little nervous to take it out. Is it actually going to work? Well, you can do a self-test on this. So just unhook this here, pull that up like that. And you see on the front here, it says self-test, press for 1 second. So you can watch the screen here and see what it says. So it passed the test. So it's in good working condition. You also saw that it has that beacon light, which is a nice feature as well for when you're looking to be found. That has that bright flashing light that it will have on it. So what's really nice about this is that it alerts the proper agencies to the fact that you need help. And whereas with other things, it may be hours before you get an alert out that you need help, but this is literally minutes. So this is a huge peace of mind when you're traveling, and that's our point of view.